Hi everyone, are you a developer looking to speed up your workflow and boost productivity? In this video, I'll show you how to maximize efficiency using the Bolt's AI powered development tools. Let's get started. First, sign up and set up the Bolt. Visit the Bolt Dev and then create a free account or sign up. Connect your preferred tools, and the Bolt works best when connected with your development stack. Then use a powered code suggestions. As you write a code in your IDE, both suggest a smarter auto-completions, code refactors, and bug fixes. ChatGPT meets Copilot, optimized for speed and accuracy. Then streamlines the pull request with Bolt AI. The Bolt scans your PRs and summarizes changes, suggests improvements, flags causes, and auto-generates test cases and documentation. This means that less back and forth during the code reviews. Then automate the documentation and change logs. Use Bolt AI to instantly generate a project documentation, change logs after each page, and then release the notes for stakeholders. Let's having a tech writer in your toolbox. Then, after that, collaborate with your team more effectively. Integrate with Slack to get instant AI generated summaries for your PRs, real time insight on ongoing issues, and AI based on ticket, triage, and assignment. The Bolt's AI reduces a communication overload while keeping everyone aligned. And whether you're building a solo or with team, the Bolt's AI tools help you to code smarter, move faster, and stay sync. Try it out and take your dev game to the next level. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.